Do you believe in fairies? I do. So not long ago, and not far away, in a forest made of jade trees, lived the sweetest little fairy named Blossom. She had the power to spread hope and happiness wherever she went. She lived in a cute little tiny house with whitewashed walls, moss green roof, and bright blue doors. Blossom's house was in a little clearing in the forest, a little away from the sparkling stream. She had built a road of shiny white stones leading from her home to the stream. She used the water from the stream for drinking and making potions and daily chores. She let her washed clothes dry naturally in the sun and fresh forest air. She loved plants, and so she had placed 2 potted plants on either side of her doorstep. Oh, there were some more houses around. You noticed them when you looked for them? Yes, those beautiful red mushrooms with white polka dots growing here and there were homes to many magical little people. Blossom had a special friend, the ladybug, and they often went visiting people's gardens. Sometimes she is also visited by her other friends living in different parts of the forest, like the intellectual Mr. Snail and his artistic wife, Mrs. Snail. In the forest, all these living beings lived in harmony with nature. They respected each other and Mother Nature. They helped each other and shared everything because happiness grows when shared and sorrow reduces when shared. When you next step out in your garden or park or farm or forest, be conscious and appreciative of your surroundings and nature. You may find Blossom or some other good fairy. May you have more hope and happiness in life. Take care.